Hello friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Accounts. So in few days back I get the new update from this Roblox. So by using this update you can easily make a voice calls with your Roblox friends. So if you like to get this update just follow me friends. So first of all try to locate this Roblox Connect and click to join this server. But unfortunately it shows one message. This experience is unavailable due to your account settings. So how to get rid of this error message? And this is only occurs to you due to your privacy settings. So just click on this three dots icon and go to settings. So here I try to access privacy settings. So here you can change I mentioned the following settings, and the first one is communication. So you can select default, but if you already enable the parental control settings and it will ask for the 4-digit pin, so just put it, and in followed by you can change the privacy settings to everyone and friends. And also verify your phone number, and this is very mandatory one. So same way you can change these other settings also. So after you done these processes and then go to parental controls, but this is only works for you if you enable these parental controls, so otherwise you can leave it. So here I change this age group to 13 plus, and these settings are saved successfully. So just go back to your home page. But friends, now this time you can see it shows that join option, so just click on it, and they showing some instructions, and the important one is you can enable your camera and microphone to chat with your friends. So just click to OK. So finally this calling feature is successfully activated in my Roblox account. So by using this feature you can easily make your voice calls during the gameplay. So overall I complete my tutorial. So friends, if you have any doubts just comment to me. So otherwise just leave a one like, and also my channel have a super thanks feature, so just support it. So for more tech videos you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Tech Accounts, and thanks for watching.